I was wheelchair bound the last 3 weeks before I came to the Institute. The proof is in the pudding. These folks want to remove your pain.
Garey is no stranger to back pain and underwent traditional open back surgery with fusion 5 decades ago.
I had surgery in 1973, and it lasted 50 years. I was in the hospital a week, got a blood infection.
When his back pain and mobility issues returned, Garey tried conservative treatments with no relief. Realizing he would likely need surgery again, he knew he didn't want another spine fusion.
About 5 to 6 years ago, when the pain got to the point it was severely debilitating, where I couldn't go bowling, standing and trying to fish for any lengthy time was difficult, and walking, it became an arduous task. I tried about everything that you could buy in a store. Our doctor was faithful in trying to find some pain relief with that as well. It just continually got worse. That's when it really became apparent that we needed some sort of surgery there again.
Garey's hometown doctors told him nothing more could be done to help with his pain. Unwilling to accept this prognosis, he sent the Bonati Spine Institute his diagnostic imagery for a review, and Dr. Bonati called him personally to discuss his case.
I was told that there could be nothing done with mine. It was such a mess. And Dr. Bonati, he reviewed it, gave me a call. He said, yeah, it's a mess, but I believe I can take care of a lot of this. And he told me what he saw, what he thought he could do, and which convinced me that there was hope.
A unique feature of the Bonati Spine Institute is the state-of-the-art on-campus imaging center that allows surgeons to receive updated images to review with patients mere minutes after they are taken.
The problem seems to be that it's a little bit worse on your right side.
Yes. Came Monday, they did the x-rays and got all their information, the blood work and everything, and preparing you for the next day's surgery. It's just amazing how fast they can put this together, and they just cover every base for you.
Garey was surprised at how quickly he was able to stand and walk after the patented Bonati Spine Procedures.
It was amazing how quickly they were able to get you right on your feet. And recovery, I mean, that was just fantastic. I realized the pain was gone right in recovery, where the severe pain was in the lower lumbar area. And I stood up and like for the first time, I could actually stand straight. I didn't have the 90-degree angle that I came in with. It was very quick. Then you get on your plane and you go home, and I thought, wow, this is very, very special.
Garey shares why he believes the exclusive Bonati Spine Procedures are so effective.
What was so unique about the Bonati Institute, you were actually part of the surgery. I could tell them where the pain was, so you didn't have to work blindly. And I was aware, and he would say, just say back or leg.
Looked like it was the center back low.
And then he knew how to adjust his procedure or whatever he was doing in the area that was giving the problem.
No pain here?
No.
No pain here?
No.
No pain here?
No.
All right.
After his Bonati Spine Procedures, Garey no longer requires a wheelchair to get around. In fact, as part of his recovery, he was instructed to walk about 40 minutes a day.
The rehabilitation was walking. I wasn't required to do any pool, water therapy, or anything like that. As the time progressed, I walked a little farther. He wanted me to get up to like an hour a day or a mile, and that started to happen. After we got back to Greenville, people would ask me about the Bonati Spine Institute. And I said, I just felt like I was the only person there. The staff, the doctors, they were just unique, just compassionate. I just have never been to any place with such professionalism that had all these attributes with it. It was just amazing to me to see how that all worked together. They are definitely dedicated to their patients. Dr. Bonati himself has a phenomenal success record with these spinal surgeries and all. People come from all over the world, and that's his passion in life, and he's very good at it. He is extremely good at it.
Garey is excited to return to his daily life pain-free.
To be able to do the functions that most people would take for granted, just being able to bend over, to walk,
To see more stories of recovery just like this, search for the Bonati Spine Institute on YouTube, Rumble, Apple's App Store, Google's Play Store, Roku, and Amazon's Fire TV.